Meron ka bang, hindi man rituals, pero are there things you do before reading? Just to make sure na, okay, kasi you believe in the spiritual world, are there things that you
Yeah.
do before reading?
I used to, mas ritualistic ako dati. Nung parang sobrang excited ako na nagbabasa ako ng tarot. Like I would
Okay.
light a candle or may incense, yung mga
Okay.
ganyan.
Oo.
Now, that wore off already.
Mm.
I think yung basic preparation ko is yung parang just telling myself na, okay, today I'm gonna carve out this time to do a reading. So, pero kaya ko naman mag-read even if spontaneous. Kunyari, I just so happen to have a deck of cards and then biglang, alam mo yun, biglaan. Kaya ko
Yes.
naman. Pero I think I feel a lot better pag sinulat ko sa planner ko na, okay,
Mm.
today, magre-read ka. So I think
Mm-mm.
it's just yung, I guess, preparation mentally na
Yes.
I'm gonna do this.
After readings, meron ka bang ginagawa rin? I mean,
Hmm.
kunyari meron ka,
Yeah.
again, no details naman, no personal info. Kunyari may medyo mabigat na reading.
Yeah. This is, I didn't learn this from anyone. It just felt right for me na in-order ko yung deck from major arcana, tas 0, 1, 2, 3. As in, ina-arrange ko siya chronologically.
Okay.
Parang I guess in my head, that's my way of resetting
Oo,
the
oo.
deck.
Oo. Okay. Pero wala kang mga pausok, pag ganyan, wala kang ligo ng asin.
Yun, dati
Okay.
mas maganon ako. And then
Okay.
parang, I guess, yun nga, kasi parang, syempre pag nung start, parang gusto ko i-embody yung idea of a
Oo.
tarot read. Alam mo yun?
Oo, oo.
Gusto ko lahat ng accessories and whatever.
Yes,
And
yes.
then,
Oo.
yun nga, after some time, hindi talaga ako ganon.
Oo,
So,
oo.
yun. So, nag-fall away na lang yung mga ganyan. And then, I guess, like before may crystals ako and then eventually parang hindi talaga it's not my thing
Oo,
so
oo.
wala. Siguro at most I drink water kasi
Okay.
parang I don't know nauuhaw ako after.